Welcome back! Today's tutorial is for everyone who's been asking about free tools. So if you're looking to create voice, images, video, or even full applications without spending a dime, this one's for you. Just a quick heads up. Free doesn't always mean perfect. I'll be showing you Google AI Studio, which is designed mainly for developers. That means when you use the APIs, the results are much faster. But if you're sticking with the free version, you'll need a bit of patience. That said, the results? Still pretty impressive. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first. Head over to AI Studio. I've dropped the link in the description for you. That'll take you straight to the sign-up page. From there, just log in with your regular Google account. That's the bare minimum you'll need to get started. Okay, here we are on the AI Studio dashboard. Take a look around. On the left-hand side, you'll see your main options: chat, stream, media generation, and application generation. This panel also keeps a list of all your previous creations, so nothing gets lost. Right in the center, you've got your standard chat window where all the action happens. And over on the right, you can choose different models and fine-tune them based on what you're working on. Let's kick things off with the image generator. What you'll notice on the screen is that we're currently in the chat section on the left. But take a look at the model. It's set to the image generator. That's the cool part. You can easily swap out models depending on what you want to do. Anyway, back to business. Let's add a prompt and hit Run. Alright, that was real-time generation. I didn't pause the video at all. So as you can see, it's not that slow. Honestly, it's pretty decent. One thing I did notice, though, is that it slightly changed my prompt. So yeah, the better your prompt, the better your results. But we're not diving into prompt crafting today. Let's move on to the next feature. Alright, for those of you who follow the channel, I made another video about creating product images from regular photos. So let's do a quick demo of that. I'm going to use the same bag I featured in that previous video. I'll upload it, add a prompt, and let's see what it comes up with. Well, not too shabby at all. And as you can see, that was super fast. Let's try one more. This time, I'm using a wristwatch. Wow, nice. Not bad at all. Alright, let's run one more just to test it out. I'll click Run again. Let's see if it remembers what we wanted it to do. Okay, there you go. Nailed it. Alright, next up, let's play around with the audio. Imagine you want to create a podcast. One way to do that is by using GPT, or another large language model, to generate a script with two people discussing a topic. I've put together a short example just to demonstrate how it works. So I'm going to paste it in here. Now take a look at the right-hand side. You've got some voice options to choose from. The selection is a bit limited. It's not like 11 Labs where you have access to hundreds of voices. But hey, this is free. Alright, let's paste the dialogue in here and hit Run. Oh, let's just tell it what tone to use. Give it a few seconds. And there you go. Your dialogue is ready to go.
Jamie, did you see the RoboJewel K1 Club? It's absolute great if you want a supportive community to help you grow your channel.
Right? I joined instantly. Tech, perks, and pure hype. Let's great.
It is so much easier when you have like-minded people to support and guide you.
Yeah, and you also get rewarded when you introduce friends.
Okay, next up, let's check out video generation and see what we can create. Right now, the internet is buzzing about Veo 3. It looks amazing. Unfortunately, it's not available here just yet. But Veo 2 is, so let's see what that one can do. Alright, click on this little icon right here to upload a file. Choose an aspect ratio, time duration, and resolution. Now hit Run. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, I paused the video on this one just to save us a bit of time. It took a total of 40 seconds to generate the video, which, honestly, isn't bad at all. Okay, to be honest, that last prompt wasn't all that exciting. So let's spice it up a bit. This time I'll tell it to make the little character jump. Let's see how that turns out. And once again, that took about 40 seconds. And this time, the result is pretty amazing. And hey, don't forget, this is all completely free. Not too shabby. Next up, we've got the live stream feature. With this one, you can share your webcam to show any device or object. And Gemini will tell you what it is and give you info about it. You can also share your screen and ask questions in real time. Let's do a quick demo of how that works. Tell me about this page. What is Reddit?
Reddit is like a big online community where people can post and discuss all sorts of topics. It's divided into different sections called subreddits, where users can share news, funny pictures, or just talk about their interests. It's a really popular place to find information and connect with people who have similar interests.
How can I find something about AI automation?
Okay, to find something about AI automation, you can try using the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in AI automation and see what results come up. You can also look for subreddits related to technology, artificial intelligence, or automation, as those might have relevant discussions.
All right, so this feature basically lets you share your screen or a specific app and ask questions about it. A great use case? Learning a new piece of software on your machine, or getting help navigating a form you're not quite sure how to fill out. Super handy. All right, the last thing I want to show you is how to create a web app. This is basically a free way to do what tools like Bolt.new, Cursor, Windsurf, Lovable, and others offer. So if you've been using those, you'll feel right at home here without the price tag. Let's go ahead and create a simple app. For this example, I'll ask it to create a modern-looking snake game that you can play right in your browser, with high score tracking built in. Let's see what it comes up with. It's thinking it through, and once it starts, you'll notice it actually plans out everything it needs to do. Now it's busy building the folder structure, creating the files, and writing the code. And honestly, from a software engineer's perspective, this is both exciting and a little terrifying. It's doing in seconds what took me 30 years to master. And there you go. The game is finished. Let's click on Start. Now, I'm not much of a gamer, but as you can see, it runs perfectly right out of the box. And that's seriously impressive. A lot of the other no-code or low-code platforms I've tried couldn't get this right on the first try. They needed multiple prompts to fix things. So for a completely free platform, this is just unbelievable. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If you found this helpful or it sparked some ideas for your own automation journey, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps more productivity enthusiasts discover these time-saving techniques. Until next time, keep automating the boring stuff. I'll see you in the next video.